This might just be the most confusing sim racing wheel of 2026, because for the price it has features that honestly shouldn't exist at this level. With a full 325mm racing wheel, a built-in display, carbon fibre construction and more inputs than most people will ever use. So the real question is the Moza CS Pro an actual hidden gem? So let's start off with the body. The Moza CS Pro is a full-size 325mm round steering wheel, and the size isn't random either. It's more commonly used in the real world racing because it gives off a better leverage and a smoother steering input, especially with high speeds. Now when it actually comes down to the construction, it's surprisingly serious for the price. You're getting a carbon fibre reinforced composite front and back plate paired with an aluminium alloy frame. That means it's built to be light enough for responsiveness but also rigid under force feedback. The grips are wrapped in hand-stitched microfiber leather, which is designed to be both durable and comfortable during long sessions. So straight out of the box, you are given that premium feel. But now this is where things get interesting, because right in the center you do get that 2.99-inch high-definition display, and that is not just for show. You can fully customize it through the Moza software. So that's different dashboards, telemetry, gear information, lap data, all tailored to whatever you are driving. But this wheel offers way more than just a screen and premium feels. With the CS Pro, you're going to get 8 RGB buttons, 4 rotary encoders, 2 thumb encoders, 2 7-way funky switches, plus rear buttons, and everything is fully programmable, which means that you can literally map anything. Traction control, brake bias, ERS, pit limiter, you name it. And then there is the lighting. You obviously have the 10 RPM LEDs and the 6 flag LEDs, all customizable with up to 16.7 million colors. So this isn't just functional, it's also built for the immersion. Now on the back end, the paddles are another highlight. They are made from forged carbon fiber and use Hall sensors, which means no physical wear and very precise inputs. Now you're going to get dual clutch systems, which is huge for race starts, and you can also run dual clutch launch mode, single clutch, or fully custom inputs. And if that's not enough, the wheel even supports an optional 6 paddle setup for things like DRS and KERS. But then this is where Moza plays smart. With the CS Pro, it actually works on all Moza wheelbases, but it can also connect to a third-party base using the hub kit. That makes it way more flexible and allows you to use other ecosystems. So who is the CS Pro really for? This is for someone who wants that one wheel that sort of does everything, because with the round shape and size, it is perfect for, again, drifting, rally, GT races, road cars, and especially all the long sessions of the 24-hour racing where comfort actually matters. So the end conclusion is the CS Pro is basically a do-it-all wheel, because you're getting a realistic full-size rim, tons of input, a built-in display, advanced paddles, and wide compatibility, all in one package that costs way less than you'd expect for this feature set. So here's the real question. Would you rather have one wheel that does everything, or multiple wheels that each do one thing perfectly? Let me know in the comments below or what setup you are using at the moment, or even let me know, would you actually drive daily on the CS Pro? If you'd like to check out the CS Pro or any other Moza gear, head over to the link in the description. Other than that, my name's Callum, Capture, Create, Captivate, and I'll see you all in the next video.